Hi friends, welcome to my channel, Joyful Journey Fit. Today's wellness focuses on mini workouts versus continuous workouts, meaning 3 10-minute workouts throughout the day or 2 15-minute workouts versus that long 30-minute workout. Which is more beneficial? Actually, both. Both are beneficial for your body, your mind, and your spirit. What are those benefits that occur from those mini workouts? There are physical as well as mental benefits. We have improvements in our aerobic capacity. They're heart healthy. They bring upon an increase in our metabolic rate. If we exercise throughout the day, taking those 10-minute breaks, morning, afternoon, evening, that creates that energy that will increase your metabolism and bring about that future weight loss success. In the long term, mini workouts add to your exercise adherence, meaning that if you get up in the morning, you're more apt to do that 10-minute workout versus 30 minutes. If you're short on time, you have a busy schedule, you can fit those 10-minute blocks of exercise into your day. Exercise has a way of boosting and uplifting our mood. Endorphins are activated. You feel that energy within your body. You feel good because you accomplished something. And you did. You did it for yourself. You took time for yourself. Being healthy, being aware of the needs of your body, having that activity throughout the day, bringing that joy and instilling that peace within your mind, your body, and your spirit. Exercise increases your concentration, your creativity. Often, if you're working at your desk, take a break. Take a 10-minute break if you can, and exercise. Just do simple movements. And that idea that you were working on might have some clarity. Exercise has a way of reducing our stress and anxiety. Sometimes you might have an emotional response or a trigger that may influence how you sleep or your eating habits. Focus on that exercise first and see how doing those simple, gentle workouts create another positive outlet for that trigger. Why opt to do many workouts? They bring consistency in your exercise, meaning that fitting those 10-minute blocks throughout your day, those 15-minute blocks, you have that consistency, you have that scheduled plan. Now, every day is not the same. You might have low energy days or high energy days. Focus on creating a variety in your week, meaning do cardio one day, strength another day. Focus on what your body needs, be it rest, gentle movement, flexibility. Create that unique plan for yourself. Focus on something is better than nothing. Feed your body with exercise to enhance your mood, have ease of movement throughout the day, to reach your set intentions of the day. Focus on the intention to exercise as opposed to the perfection of following through with a plan. Have those set goals that you want to achieve, but don't rely on those challenging goals. Take each day and know that you accomplished something, that you did something over nothing. Always keep that challenge goal in mind, but focus on persistence over that perfection. Obligation over expectation. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Have a beautiful, blessed day.